Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next lesson is about animal names in Arabic and English. If you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe it for next videos about Arabic language. Asma'ul Hayawanat. Asma'ul Hayawanat. Lioness. A lioness. Labawa. In Arabic we call it labawa. Labawatun. Labawa. Labawa. A dog. Kalbun, a dog, kalabun, 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 dog, we call it kalabun. Bear, dubbun, bear, dubbun. In Arabic we call it dubbun, dubbun. Tiger, in Arabic we call it namirun, namirun, namir. Try to pronounce it namir, namirun. Jaguar, jaguar. In Arabic we also call it jaguar, jaguar. Cheetah, cheetah, fahadun. In Arabic we call it fahadun, fahadun, fahad, fahad. Donkey, donkey, himarun. In Arabic we call it himarun, himarun. Zebra, himaru wahshi, himarun wahshi. In Arabic we call it himarun wahshi, himarun wahshi. Camel, a camel. In Arabic we call it jamalun, jamalun, jamal. Jamal, jamalun. Monkey, qirdun. In Arabic we call it qirdun, qirdun, qirdun. Goat, ma'izun, ma'izun. In Arabic we call it ma'izun, ma'izun. Cow, cow, bakara, 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 bakara. Ox, thawrun, thawrun. Try to pronounce it thawrun, thawrun, thawrun. Buffalo, jamusun. We call it in Arabic jamusun, jamusun. Fox, su'lab, su'labun, 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 su'labun. Crocodile, in Arabic we call it timsahun, timsahun, timsahun. Sheep, in Arabic we call it ghanam, ghanamun, ghanam. Try to pronounce it ghanam, ghanam. Feelun, elephant, feelun, feel, feel, elephant. In Arabic we call it feel. Giraffe, a giraffe, tall animal. Zarafa, in Arabic we call it zarafa, 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 zarafa. Cat, qittun. In Arabic we call it qitt, qittun, qittun, qittun. A horse, in Arabic we call it hisan, 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 hisan. Deer, in Arabic we call it ghazalun, ghazalun. Ghazal is deer. Lion, asadun. In Arabic we call it asadun, asadun, asad, asadun.